I'm YangQian. Today I will take you to visit Solis's intelligent manufacturing base together with the Solis General Manager's assistant, Lucy Liu. Hello, Lucy.
Hello, YangQian. Let's go and put on our anti-static suits and I can show you around.
I feel like a minion when I put these on. Where shall we visit first?
Right here we're standing in front of the monitoring platform for the assembly workshop. This large screen shows the daily output of the whole site and can detect any abnormalities in the production process in real time.
Wow, what are these machines doing? It looks very fast and really accurate.
This is the world's leading automatic surface-mounted technology machine.
That's amazing. It's more accurate than my shot. What's this little car that's moving all the time?
It's an AGV trolley, automatic guided vehicle. It's computer programmed and carries materials around the production floor without any need for an onboard operator. Now we are at the printed circuit board coating area.
The operation seems very simple. May I have a try?
Of course. Just put these gloves on first.
Wow, this circuit board is a little heavy. This is my first time visiting the fully automatic, intelligent manufacturing base. Join me for more stories about Solis.